Ready to ditch the tech headaches and finally build your dream website for free? First, head over to Google Sites. Find a template that matches the style and purpose you're going for. Think portfolio, business, or even just a landing page. Now, replace the generic titles and placeholders with your own awesome content. Click and type directly onto the page to change the text. Think catchy headlines. Hit the Insert tab on the right to add everything from images and videos to Google Docs and Maps. Just drag and drop it wherever you want it on the page. Click on the Themes tab for a quick style makeover. Experiment with different color palettes and fonts to match your brand. Need more pages? Use the Pages tab to create new sections for your site like About Us, Contact, or a blog. Customize everything to your liking. Tweak layouts, add headers and footers, and arrange content so that it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Before you go live, hit that preview button to see how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Finally, smash that Publish button. Give your website a unique name, and your creation is now live on the web. You officially have a website, and it's ready for the world.